This is a brand new 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It has a 5.7-liter 8-cylinder engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, speed-sensitive volume controls, a double wishbone independent front suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: XM satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, a graphic equalizer, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and 10 perfectly positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.